In this video, I am going to take your business from here and we are going to put it right here at the top. Pretty cool, right? You can just bypass all the junk and spam and get seen directly by your customers, and this free platform can act like a free lead machine for your business. That's the Google My Business for you. Sounds good, right? Google Business Profile (GBP) is widely considered the top business listing service in India, offering the highest authority and visibility compared to other platforms like Just Dial, Sulekha, IndiaMart, and Facebook. This dominance is primarily due to its deep integration with Google Search and Maps, which account for over 90% of search traffic in India, making GBP the first point of discovery for any local customer searching for services near me. Stay till the end. I will make you understand how you can optimize your Google Business Profile, how free leads can be generated from this platform, how can your business be seen as the top in the local search ranking, and the most important part is your ORM, Online Reputation Management System. Hope you have understood how this platform is so important for any business, and all you get it at zero cost. Let's decode Google My Business GMB. So this is called Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business. Google Business Profile is your business online storefront. It's what people see when they search for you on Google and Google Maps. When someone types in something like coffee shop near me or best cardiologist near me, Google will rank local business clinic based on their Google Business Profile, meaning your business will always show up first in the search result. So, if you have a business and you are not using Google Business Profile, you are potentially losing out on a lot of money. It is like a digital business card that promotes your business for free on Google. So, any local search, Google shows 3 business listings first. Google calls this local 3-pack. These are the most relevant businesses in the search results. These local businesses get 70% more clicks than those do not appear in the search results. And there is actually a lot more benefit than just being number one. You can also list your products, you can also list your service, and visitors can actually purchase this directly through your Google Business Profile, or it drives traffic to your website, can generate more revenue and put you on the top of the search result. And the best part is, it is completely free. Just to give you an understanding, in India, it is 1.5 billion searches took place daily, which is ranked third in the entire world. According to Google, 46%, that is more than 350 million of all searches have the local intent, which means search keyword with near me tag. Over 68% of local mobile searches led to physical store visit within 24 hours, and 27% is the conversion rate, that is purchase. Now you already have a Google business page and verified, but you have not been able to see any leads or traction for your business. Most business owners make these common mistakes. They create a Google Business Profile, post 2-3 pictures, add the address and phone number, and leave it as it is and hope that anybody searches that will appear and they get lead. This is not the right way to use Google Business Profile. So let's understand. Point number 1, perfect the NAP. What is NAP? That is name, address, and phone number. Consistency across all your platforms, your website, your social media page, and Google Business Profile page have the same name, address, and phone number without any kind of spelling mistakes. If you don't do that, then Google will consider you as a separate entity and your search will get stuck. Next point, business description, services, and category selection. You need to put a structured and proper description of your business add your service properly. This is actually quite important. So this would be considered as a keywords. Select the services your business offers and get matched with the right customer. Make sure to enter as many keywords as possible, because when people search for this, it improves your chances of ranking higher in the search results. Feel free to input 10, 20, even 30 keywords if they are relevant to your business. 80% of the business owners make a mistake while selecting the business category. Look at one example. If you are a physiotherapist, then choose a physical therapist as the primary category. But the secondary category would be sports injury clinic, rehabilitation center, like this. In this way, Google might show your business in the broader search category. Next point, post picture and videos. Posting regular pictures and videos of your business can encourage your SEO rankings better for your business page. Google algorithms loves those whose activity is frequent, and Google boosts their rankings. Business posts enable an engagement spike. Next point, business timing. Another essential point for your business. Mention your business timing clearly so that when someone checks out, it is clearly visible at your business profile page. Fifth point, that is Q&A section. Google offers a Q&A section. Use the Q&A section in your Google business profile. For example, like if you offer home visit, then what are the timings? Use these features very smartly. 3 ways you can convert your visitors into potential leads. Number 1, call button clicks. Number 2, direction requests. Number 3, website visits. Use a call to action in your post, like call now for free consultation or book appointment instantly. This will help you to guide or push user to take action, and that I call the lead magnet strategy. The next step is one of the key and most important after you have executed all the above point which we have discussed. That is ORM, Online Reputation Management. Google Business Profile provides personalized keyword scanner for your business. Share that scanner with your clients who have taken your service and ask them to give a rating and feedback on your service. Reviews will help you to get a higher rankings and build trust. If reviews are genuine and authentic, then your business listing will get a higher rank. Keep that in mind. Reviews must be replied to, which creates more engagement and Google loves it. Reply to both negative and positive comments and make your business active in Google's algorithm. That I call a perfect ORM. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not take fake reviews, as it can lead to suspension. Do not create multiple listings with the same address. Do regular activity on your Google page. If you are not active, then your ranking gets affected. Now another helpful point that we need to discuss in this video, that is, do not forget to check the insights. The feature must not be ignored. Track how many calls you have received, how many directions requested by users or your potential clients. That's how you can optimize or better your approach. Look at the bigger picture of GMB. For Indian businesses, having an up-to-date Google Business Profile is the single most effective listing for achieving local visibility, trust, and customer engagement. Secondary listing will not give you a same advantage that is Google is offering. Google Business Profile delivers the greatest return for local discovery and SEO impact. Why optimization of Google Business Profile is the most trusted, suitable, and highly efficient listing platform for your business. GMB is a free visibility tool for your business. Photos, reviews, posts, keywords is your ranking booster. Google Maps enables the geotagging feature that is a hidden gem for your business profile. If you post consistently, that creates your credibility in the market. So next time when a customer searches best services near me, ensure that your business profiles pops up higher. This is Arindam signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, stay visible, stay profitable.